Hi and welcome back to my channel DDM-Cardhouse. Today we are going to open the new Justice Hunters display. If you want, you can go to my website DDM-Cardhouse.de where you can currently buy this for 75 euros. So let's jump right into the opening. We want a lot of cards out of the set. I need all the K9s, I want all the Yummies, I want all the Dragon Tails. So, yeah. We'll probably open a lot of the set. Let's head straight into this. We have Nash Knight, K9, Trap. First Yummy card. Oh, and yeah, this is a reprint as well. This is for Draco Tail. This will probably get banned. I think after reprint, non-expanders, that's on there. It's so easy to make with K9. We have another Draco Tail. We have... What's this for? I don't know. Drill Booster. Sorry. Number 61. Sheep. Oh, haben die mal erst restricted in here? Okay. And another Draco Tail. A Yummy. Behemoth. King of the Swamp. Booster Polymerization. Oh, okay. And number C102. Schneid, Giveaway. Artifact, Randall. Nope. Yummy. There's also there should be starlights in his one. Oh, okay. Still gonna go out of them. This is for Yummy as well, I think. Draco Tail, Nash Knight. I don't know, and Draco Tail. So let's see if we can pull the starlight. Last time we pulled the starlight, so let's hope we do again. Draco Tail. Draco Tail. Oh! A collector's rare Yummy. Nice. Looks really good. Okay, and is the Sky Striker. Is this new? No, it's not new, right? No, it's not. It's okay. But is there a new Sky Striker in here? I don't know. Yummy. This one is also for Draco Tail, I think, a fusion target. And Lupus. Oh, sorry, again. I fucked up. A Lupus. Nice. K9 goes here, Draco Tail goes here. Is this K9? I think it is. Yeah, should be. One of the Yummy things again. Wow, are you? Another Yummy, Draco Tail, and K9. K9 is so easy to build because you don't really have a lot of ultra rares. Is Sloopy the only one, or is the second ultimate rare for K9? Oh, nice Draco Tail again. Isn't what's it called? Oh, there should be a second one. The really expensive one. What's it called again? I don't remember right now. Oh, okay, and it's super rare this time. Probably have nothing but the Izuna, I think. She's ultra rare as well. Another polymerization. K9. I think Lupus isn't that expensive since I think he's a one-off in the deck, so Cannon Hound and Yummy. This deck feels a lot easier to build decks because everything except oh, Izuna, yeah, Izuna. She's really expensive right now. She's like 40 bucks. So good pull right here. Everything except I think Draco Tail has the most. Sorry, Yummy has the most ultra rare cards. So yeah, it's really easy to build the other decks. And the Ripper, especially K9, it's really easy to build because, yeah, it's, I mean, Izuna is expensive at 40 bucks, but the rest is like only supers and ultras, which are only a few cents. I don't know how much Lupus is, we'll have to check after. Yummy, 61, Strict, Kinkabui, and the Werewolf. Where are you? Clear the swamp. 3 Heralds. And Dragon Tail. Is it Dragon Tail or is it Draco Tail? I think they changed the name, right? It was Draco Tail or Dragon Tail before, but now I think it's Draco Tail or something. And another Canine Ripper. There could still, I think, be a Starlight in here. Last time we had a Collector's Rare and a Starlight Rare, so let's see. Another Lollipoppy? No, what's that? Lollipoppy was the other one, right? This one was... I don't know the name, all the names for Lollipop cards. For the Yummy cards, sorry. This one's Lollipoppy, right? This one's I don't know. I don't know the English names. I haven't looked too much into... I know it's a really strong deck, but it doesn't appeal to me, like, from the aesthetics. So. Yeah. I'm gonna build the K9 Vanquish Soul deck, or K9 Dragon Tail, I'm not sure yet, but one of those. So. K9. Since someone else wanted to build the Dragon Tail deck, I'm gonna have to see what else I can do with K9. Because we always say, if someone wants to build a deck, only one of us gets to build. So we don't have too much overlay on our decks. At least when we play with friends. So. And the last pack. Let's see if we can get a Starlight. K9. Nope, Chokura. Okay, so we pulled a lot of K9. As I said, I think the base, like, the core is like really easy to get. I mean, if you open one set, you can almost fully build the deck aside from Azuma. And I mean, I pulled the Lupus, which should be a one-off in the most lists, so I'm not too sure though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see. I don't know if I will open more, because I already have most of the stuff that I wanted anyway. I only need 2 Izunas, right, and the rest, I think 1 Lantern, 1 Chiku. Maybe I just ordered them online. I don't know about the spells. And I only have 2 of the... Yes, I do. This one is the other. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see. And also the Draco Tail. I didn't pull too much. Did I pull any? Ultra Rare Tricotail? I only pulled... Well, I pulled 2 K9s and the Yummy. So no... Oh, that's the Tricotail Mululu. Okay. So at least one. Okay, yeah, not too bad. I really like my pulls. I mean, we got the Collector's Rare Yummy card. And we got the Zona, which is like 40 to 50 bucks right now, so yeah, I can't be too mad. Yep. Made my money back. So, made my money back and I have most of my deck built already. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my shop if you want to open a display as well. And see you next time. Until then, bye.